What are you doing in our fridge?
What? Oh, do you want an apple? Okay, here you go. Wait, I want it. Ooh, Lucky. You saw it inside of my fridge.